Really good question here. We're trying to fill in this table such that the row and column totals are as shown. And we're using the numbers from 1 to 9. Okay, let's look at the largest number, 24. Now actually, if you take the three largest numbers you could possibly put in the table, then that will equal 24. So we must have 7, 8, and 9 along this row in some order. I'm also going to look at the smallest total. So 1 plus 2 plus 5 would work. Actually, if you did 2 plus 3, then they're already too big. But we could do 1 plus 3 plus 4. So those are two options. Let's use the 24 row though a little bit more, because for 11, the smallest number that you could use actually would now be 7, because we know we have to have 7, 8, 9 along here. So if I used 7, then I could do 7 plus 1 plus 3. Or actually, I could do 8 plus 1 plus 2. Okay. One thing that tells me is that I have to have 1 along here, and I have to have 1 along here, which means it's going to have to go here. I can cross that out. I've got to have 7, 3, 8, 2 along here somewhere. Okay, now another really useful one is actually this 20, because this is quite a large number, and we know that we're going to have, we've already used 7, 8, and 9 somewhere along here. So we've got 6 and 5 left to use. So, and they're the biggest, we're going to have to use 9 with it. Okay, there's no way that if you used 7, you'd be able to get to the total of 20 because we have to use 8 and 9 elsewhere along this row. So what I'm saying is actually this has to equal 9. So I've sorted that bit out. Okay, oh, and then we've got, well, if I put a 6 here, then this would have to be 1 and I can't repeat it, which means this has to be 5. And then this will be 6. And then I think it's all going to work out. So we've got 2 here. We've got 1, 2, 5. And because I've already used 2, I'm going to have 7 and 3 here. Then that gets me 4, which is actually my answer. So I could stop there. But just to finish it off, I can put 8 here and it all checks out. Really nice question.